everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, happy vlogmas. Today's December 1st, so the first day of vlogmas, which is actually, I started, my first ever video was vlogmas day 1. This is my 4th year on YouTube. Oh my gosh, that's actually a really long time. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, well, happy vlogmas. Like I said, I just finished with work. It's 12:55. So I got done a little bit early. Last week was Black Friday, we had Small Business Saturday, and I worked a ton. So I'm getting done a little bit early this week on, I think, 4 days out of the week, which is nice. So I'm actually on my way to go to Barnes & Noble. A new book came out today. That's a sequel to one I read this summer. It's She's With Me is the one I read, and then Stay With Me, I'm pretty sure, is the one that's coming out. So I'm gonna run to Barnes & Noble, see if they have that book, and yeah, so let's just head to Barnes & Noble. Shannon's calling me. That's so loud. Look at this though. I don't know why it says that. She's calling from Snapchat, but I don't know why it says those numbers. Weird. Anyway, ignore that. We're gonna go to Barnes & Noble. So I'm back home now. They didn't have the book and I'm so sad. I should order it online, but I actually just placed a giant order yesterday because it was Cyber Monday, and they had 15% off, which, like, I feel like Barnes & Noble never has sales. So I ordered 8 books, and then at the store I just bought 3 more books, which I definitely didn't need. Now I have 11, and on my birthday, which was the 21st, so 2 weekends ago, I went to the local bookstore here and I think I got 5 books. 6. I got 6 new books. So I've got 17 new books. I don't need that many. But I'll show you guys the ones I did get. I got Say Used to Love Me by K.A. Tucker. I've been wanting this one for a while and they had it there, so I got it. This one is about a girl who works at her dad's company and she runs into her first love. Seemed good. Love romance. Then I got In a Holidays by Christina Lauren. This one is the girl in it has to, like, keep repeating the day until she gets it right, so I'm excited to read that. And then I got One Day in December by Josie Silver, which I think this is going to be the one that I read next. This girl, she sees a guy, thinks he's cute, and then I'm pretty sure it ends up being, is it her friend's boyfriend? Yep, her best friend introduces her new boyfriend is the guy that she saw and was, like, trying to track down. I'm going to film a December TBR, and so I'll be talking about a few of these books and then a few other ones in that video too. My battery's flashing, so I'm going to change it real quick. I'm back. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be filming my December TBR. I'm still trying to figure out my vlogmas schedule. I had originally thought I would do Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, but I feel like I can do every other day. I feel like I can manage that. So I'm going to start off trying to do that. We'll see what happens. If it's too much, I'll go down to the 3 days. But yeah, a book haul's coming then too, probably after that one. And then I think I want to do, like, a kind of wrap up. I want to do a video of all the books I read in 2020, but I don't know. Would that interest you guys if I did that? I don't know. Let me know. I also got a package from Amazon that I want to open. If you don't know, I get my nails done with dip, and I love going and getting my nails done. But it's expensive and I just don't really like taking the time to go do them, especially with what's going on right now. I feel safer at home. So I ordered a dip nail kit off Amazon. My mom got some books and here is my dip nail kit. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see what's in it. I can link this exact one down below too, so if any of you guys want this, you can definitely go get it. Attempt to do this color on my nails. They're so gross right now. They're so grown out. The vlog that's actually going up before this one, I went and got my nails done like this, and that vlog was filmed so long ago, almost a month ago. I think I'm gonna take a bath quick, and while I'm in the bath, I'm gonna soak my nails in a jar of acetone nail polish remover and try to scrape them off, and then I will come back and I will show you how I do this. I'm stupid and I could not figure out how to get my dip nails off. So I just got done. I went to La Belle Nails. That's where I would always get my nails done, and I paid 20 bucks for them to take it off because I could not figure out how to get it off. I tried soaking it, I tried filing it and pushing it off. It just didn't work. So just got my nails taken off. My brother actually works at, there was like a little soda shop, kind of popcorn-y type place right around the corner in like the same building. So I'm gonna run over there and see what they got. I think he works till 5, so I think he's there. So I'm gonna run there quick, get something from there, and then head home and try to dip my own nails. Just ran in there, got this. I got butterbeer. I don't know if it's good. Let me try it. That's really good. I don't know if it's called the butterbeer. My brother was working, so I just told him I wanted the one that tasted like butterbeer. We'd always go to Orlando for nationals, and so we'd go to like Harry Potter World, and I'd always get butterbeer, and oh, it was so good. And obviously I haven't been there in a long time because I'm not in dance anymore. So I've always wanted to try their butterbeer one, and it's really good. I got a kitty one because I didn't know if I would like it or not, but I do like it. And he gave it to me for free, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna head home now, fix these nails, and then I'll update you when they're done. Hopefully they go okay. Also, I don't know why my camera's like washing me out so bad. I look so pale. Back home, just finished with my nails. This is what they look like. They look pretty good for me doing them for the first time. I could not get them off. They were so hard to get off. I don't know, I'm hoping this time they'll be easier to get off. Who knows? I did 2 coats of dip. Normally when I get them done at the salon, I'm pretty sure they do 3. And I feel like I could have honestly just done 1. Like the color was really good. So we'll see, maybe next time I'll just do 1. That should probably make it way easier to get off 2 instead of 3 coats. But yeah, highly recommend. It's gonna save me a ton of money, and I'm so glad that I did it. It's really easy to do. So I'm just gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I think I keep changing my mind on my plans for Vlogmas, but I'm gonna try to post as many vlogs as I can. I know I said I was gonna do book videos every week, but if I can post more vlogs, I'm gonna be posting more vlogs just because it is Vlogmas. I do have my birthday haul / my Black Friday haul coming. If you didn't know, they're like 1 week apart, so I normally just combine those 2. I did order some stuff online though for Black Friday, so I'm just waiting for that to be here. So hopefully that video will be up on Tuesday. If not, it'll be up on Thursday. I also have a book haul coming soon too, so those 2 will probably be right after each other. If not, I'll put a vlog in between. So yeah, thanks again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.